Patiowell 10 feet times 10 feet metal shed side panel and door frame installation. Before the installation starts, make sure you have all the accessories you need. We first fasten a W1A board with the corner wall board on one side. It should be noted that the hole of the upper beam is replaced by a slot. Pay attention that the wall plate should be driven from the bottom to the top with F1 screws and V2 spacers. Then the assembly between the W1As is required to align the holes and overlap together. After that, we need to attach each of the W1As to the BS1L and BS1 separately, leaving a set of holes in the direction closest to the door and fixing the rest with F1 screws and V2 spacers. Then we snap UL1 and UR1 into BS1L and BS1 respectively. Snap UL1 into the W1A board by force from the bottom to the top so that the holes of both are aligned. Then punch into V2 spacers and F1 screws respectively at the top and bottom. The UR1 on the other side should follow the same step. The side panel part is then installed.